You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word and this name once and for all correctly. Yes, indeed. This is the name of a character, also a Japanese name, and a noun used in the Philippines. So the Japanese pronunciation first is as Suki, Suki. Therefore, in English, the pronunciation, including in the Philippines, is more as Suki, as a name in English, Suki. How to pronounce Suki. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.